In this Overland Australia adventure, we continue exploring Phillip Island. Enough with big waves. Christina wants to try some bird watching. Let's try some different birds. Are penguins birds? He loves penguins.
So what are we doing here in this crowd?
What? A meeting with a penguin.
At dusk, the penguins come ashore for the night.
What are you eating? Salting your chips as dinner?
Unfortunately, due to the no artificial light policy at Penguin World, I wasn't able to film the exodus. However, penguins do the same thing every evening at the Melbourne pier, and it's free and unstructured. That I was able to film. Time for a walk after a boat ride.
I'm exhausted.
Beach? What beach?
Is that a one pack?